Appeal court suffers backlash. Wow, 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 wow. For dismissing sack of pro-Wike lawmakers. The pro-democracy coalition of Nigeria has rejected the Court of Appeals ruling on the defection case involving 25 Rivers State House of Assembly members loyal to FCT Nyesom Wike. In a statement signed by its president, Comrade Jack Thomas, the group described the court's decision to nullify the expulsion of the lawmaker as a black market judgment that disregarded established legal precedent. He said, "We are absolutely discontented and dismayed by the judgment of the appellate court." He said, "The ruling totally disregarded established legal precedents and has further exposed the fallings of the appellate courts in preserving constitutional democracy and the rights of citizens." In Article Abubakar versus Attorney General of the Federation 2007, the Supreme Court held that defection from one party to another is only justified in cases of division, factionalization, or fragmentation within the original party. Similarly, in Adetunde and the Labour Party, the Supreme Court ruled that a legislator cannot decamp and remain a member of a legislative house without division in their party, Thomas said. President Muhammadu Buhari swears in Ariwola, "This is a sad for democracy and the rule of law in Nigeria. Nigeria must hold the court responsible for the rise of tyranny in Nigeria. The court must deliver judgments that are sound and consistent with the law to preserve our democracy," Thomas said. Okay. PDCN emphasized the need for judgments that are sound and consistent with the law to preserve Nigeria's democracy, adding that Nigeria must not go back to the era of black market judgments. Well, when most of the time I always wonder, if the law says this, it's all supposed to be this. I don't understand going back and forth on all of these things when it's a law has been there. Not that somebody will come tomorrow and say this, another one will say and say another thing using their discretion. What does the law say concerning a particular thing? So why twisting things all are, every year, every now and then? It is only in Nigeria we hear the technicality plays a bigger role, instead of them to say this is what the law says and let everybody abide with that. Is a lie. You begin to hear technicality of all manner of things when they want to do manipulation. The question again is that, is there anything like technicality in law? Is there anything like that? They will tell you, oh, they didn't. People that celebrated their defection, all of them were jubilating, and there's affidavits to that, and they say, oh, because they have not been registered properly with APC, so automatically they are not members of APC. When they were jubilating, they were records and all of that. So people who can do such a thing, so what else can they not do? What else can they not do? It's a black market judgment indeed. The UK has legislators. That is my opinion. I don't understand though. Wike's legislator is even a shame. Judiciary are after lots of lands and dollars from Wike. Some have skeleton in their cupboard in the federal capital. That is why they cannot go against the radical FCT minister. Whatever you like, call the judgments. It has been delivered, really. If the judgment favors you, no, it's not matter of favor and not favor. So it favors those who are highest bidder. My question is that these lawmakers, did they really defected to APC? If the answer is yes, in my opinion, the judgment is biased, not minding the court jurisdiction. Okay. Up Wike, Fubara Iscaros thinks say in day wise. Okay, oh, you will soon see your mockery backfire. His name is in other way round, coined Ariweshu. That is destroying Nigeria with his criminal actors. When the CJ of a nation turns a criminal, who then will the righteous turn to? Does the Rivers State High Court have jurisdiction? Please give your unprocured judgments or judge to respond. Wike has paid judiciary now take dollars in their pockets to change white to black. Now they are building mansions for them. What do you expect? What do you think? Have PDP proved in any court that these lawmakers are actually deflected? Yes, it was in the open that they claim they are leaving PDP, but the law will never depend on speculation. Let PDP approach the court with their letter of resignation duly served on this men's listen. They think say the Fubara and his cohorts are wise. Was there any letter or resignation? You see anyone? And you were jubilating with them because you see that it's backfiring. When appeal court judges was quoted the law that confirmed authentic election that brought Fubara as a governor in 2023, and the judgment is not element or durable judgment, and maybe until the court has started someone or few. The rule of law must be obeyed. Pro-Wike and Fubara should adhere to the tenets of democracy. Good governance is what we need as we speak. Politicians in Nigeria are a normal group of people. What do they eat and drink that makes them so empty in reasoning? Imagine a National Assembly member openly saying that a judgment of an appeal court holds no water and senseless. What an insult. Why not simply going to the Supreme Court? Yes, so the people have really, the so-called judges or the whatever, they have really ridiculed themselves, and that is why people can say whatever they like to them. So guys, leave your comment down there below and let us have your say.